Hi, welcome to problem number 2. We're going to determine the circumference of the circle. We have our circle here with a radius of 8.5 meters. What we need to do is we need to figure out our formula for discovering circumference with a radius. So our circumference equals 2 pi r. That's going to be the formula we are going to use to figure out the circumference or perimeter of a circle when we are given a radius. Now what we do is we plug in what we know to write our equation. So we have our formula. Now we need to write the equation. So C we don't know. It equals, we bring that down. Our 2, we just bring down pi equals 3.14, and our radius is given in the picture, 8.5. So we go ahead and write that down. Now when everything is side by side like that, that means we are multiplying. So we have C equals 2 times 3.14 times 8.5. Well, now we need to work our order of operations. Do we have any parentheses? We do not. Do we have any exponents? We don't. Multiplication? We do. That's all we have is multiplication. So we can stop there in going through PEMDAS, and we can start working the problem. So we're going to go from left to right with our multiplication. Does it matter how you do it? It really doesn't. I can multiply any of these numbers in any order because that is what our rules tell us when it comes to multiplication. However, we're just going to go from left to right. So C equals 2 times 3.14. And let's see if we can get this to kind of go away. Sorry about that. It keeps flipping up like that. So 2 times 3.14 equals 6.28. I bring down my 8.5 since I didn't do anything with it yet. And that's the last thing I need to do is multiply 6.28 times 8.5. And I'm going to write that answer up here. That means C equals 53.38 meters. I'm going to put that M there because the M is here and that's what label I have. Then I'm going to take this picture and click on it and do Control C to do a copy. Go to the screen where I'm finding my answers on that answer bank. Find this answer. I'm going to put this picture in that box so I can discover who the unknown person is. And in order to paste it, I just do Control V when I get to that screen.